What's up everyone, Filmoments here. In this video, I will show you exactly how to cancel your CapCut subscription on iPhone. Whether you're subscribed to CapCut Pro by accident or no longer using it, or you just want to avoid the next charge, this step-by-step guide will help you do it. So basically, I will show you two ways or process on how to do it, but these two processes will yield the same result. In the first one, let's go ahead and open settings on your iPhone, then tap on your profile. Now in here, click on subscriptions. You will see those apps which you have subscription. So in this case, we will select the CapCut app. Then finally, click the cancel subscription. The second process is through the App Store. So let's open the App Store. Click on your profile icon. Then in here, click your profile again. It may ask your Face ID. After that, select subscription. Then choose CapCut app. Now finally, click cancel subscription. So that's how you cancel CapCut subscription on your iPhone. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching. Until next time, peace out.